Okay, let's jump straight in. Today, we're doing a deep dive on something pretty crucial if you're a homeowner. We're talking about the essentials of natural gas line services, specifically in West Vancouver.
That's right. We've been looking at materials from experts, like those featured on the Pacific Blue mechanical site. And our mission today is really to, cut through the jargon. We want to pull out the clearest benefits for you, safety, efficiency, and why having someone local is so important.
Okay, let's unpack this then. What exactly are these services in simple terms? Why is this something you need to know?
Well, basically, it's all about installing, maintaining, and repairing the gas pipes in your home. The ones for your heating, your stove, all of it.
And these services are critical for safety, of course, but also for keeping your bills down. This is where it gets really interesting, I think. It's about making sure that gas moves safely and efficiently.
Exactly. Put simply, gas line professionals make sure the pipes in your home are safe. They follow some pretty big safety rules to cut down on risks, like gas leaks, which can be, incredibly dangerous.
Right, and the focus on safety really gives you peace of mind.
It does.
The experts we saw on the Pacific Blue mechanical site, they stress that regular checks mean less wasted gas, which of course helps you save money on your utility bills.
Mm-hmm. And it's important to talk about localization here. This service is key in West Vancouver, but they also cover nearby areas: North Vancouver, Surrey, Richmond, Burnaby. That local knowledge means they can get to you much quicker in an emergency.
So if we break down the key services they offer, it's things like putting in new pipes.
Right, for a new build or an upgrade.
And quick repairs for urgent problems.
Yeah, that's a big one.
And then the regular maintenance checks, like looking for rust or weak spots.
Exactly. And speaking of safety, there's one huge sign you should know. Gas is actually given a very distinct smell, like rotten eggs, so you can spot a leak quickly.
But the experts don't just rely on that, do they? Oh, not at all. They use these high-tech tools to find leaks really early. That's why inspections, at least once a year is what's recommended, are the best way to keep everything safe and running like it should.
So what does this all mean for you, the listener? It seems like hiring licensed local experts, like the ones highlighted on the Pacific Blue mechanical website, is really about safety, reliability.
And saving money in the long run.
Yeah.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture for a second, natural gas is a pretty clean choice compared to some other fuels. By keeping your lines properly maintained, you're helping to reduce the risk of methane leaks.
Which is much better for the environment.
Much better.
So here's a final thought to leave you with. We know technicians check for things like leaks and corrosion, but what specific warning signs will you commit to looking out for this year?
Good question.
Like, are you going to listen for any unusual hissing sounds near a pipe? Or maybe keep an eye out for patches of dead vegetation outside your home. That could signal a leak. Something to think about.